Hey guys, welcome to KapSid Gaming. I'm back with another video. So this video is not about Call of Duty Mobile. This video is about upgrading the RAM of a PC. So this is the HP Compaq 4000 small form factor. So we are going to upgrade the RAM from 2 GB to 8 GB. So I have here two Hynix sticks, each of them 4 GB. So we are going to insert them into the PC. First step, we're first going to take the one side of the motherboard, then we are gonna lift the optical drive, and so the RAM slot is over here. So as you guys can see, there's already a 2 GB slot in here. So this is the 2 GB RAM. This is the 2 GB RAM in my hand, if you can see properly. And so we are gonna take both our sticks and we are gonna put them in the. So let's remove the seal of this. Is this a fresh new packet of RAM stick that has come? My sticker skills are not that good also. Okay, so we have one open. So the HP Compaq 4000 can support 8 GB of DDR3 SDRAM using DIMM modules. So we have our DIMM module over here. Okay, so this is number one, and so we are gonna put it in this slot. How to insert a RAM? You first align the sides, check the pins. So this one is a 240 pin, and press hard until both sides get locked. So now we are gonna put the second thing, and I'll take cutter this time because the first one I kinda screwed up. Okay, so this one is done. Open this one and we will take the RAM out, and this one has permanent warranty. That's what Hynix is. We're gonna check that out in a second. And again the same thing, press until both sides get locked. So let me align them first, and one side is aligned. The second side, because it's the hard drive, it can get okay. One side lock, second side also lock. No, it didn't lock in properly. You have to check in if the RAM locks in properly, otherwise it can be a problem for you. Okay, so we're gonna reinsert it again. 3, 2, 1. Both the sides have locked in properly. So we are gonna switch on the PC and see what happens. We'll first blow the optical drive. Screen. Okay, so we're gonna switch on and see what happens. No beep sounds until now, which means the RAM is completely okay inside the PC, and the PC boots up, so which means the RAM is a success. And see, they are saying, so now I have 8 GB of RAM over here, as you can see, 8 GB of RAM. Now I'm going to save changes, and thank you so much for watching KapSid Gaming. So this is my PC on which I edit most of my videos on. So this was having a 2 GB before. Now I'm upgrading to an 8 GB to help me with video editing. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.